on?
Yeah.
Start it. Start it. I love you more.
What's up, everyone? Welcome in and thank you for stopping by. Today, I'm excited to show you one of the newest additions to the Novsight family, a product designed for real-world emergencies, weekend adventures, and everyday drivers who want peace of mind. That's right, this is the new Novsight G4 Jump Starter. Compact, powerful, reliable, and built for those moments when your car battery chooses violence and refuses to cooperate. Let me walk you through everything that makes the G4 a game changer. First things first, let's talk power, because at the end of the day, that's what matters in a jump starter. The Novsight G4 delivers up to 5,000 peak amps, giving you enough strength to jumpstart anything from small sedans to full-size trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, and even some diesel engines. It's designed for all weather performance, meaning it handles extreme cold and heat without losing reliability. And the best part, you can perform up to 50 jumps on a single charge, depending on the vehicle type. So whether you're daily driving, off-roading, camping, and helping out a friend who forgot to turn off their lights again, the G4 has your back every time. Now, let's get into something that sets Novsight apart: safety and smart protection. The G4 is equipped with an advanced 10-layer safety system, including reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overcharge and over-discharge protection, spark-proof clamps, temperature protection to prevent overheating. All of this means you can't mess it up. Even if someone clamps it wrong, the device alerts you before any damage happens. It's perfect for beginners, family members, or anyone who's not comfortable with car electronics. And trust me, once you use this thing, you're gonna wonder why you ever left the house without one. But the G4 isn't just a jump starter. It doubles as a power bank with multiple USB outputs, allowing you to charge phones, tablets, cameras, AirPods, iPods, portable GPS units, and even small 12-volt accessories. If you're out camping, stuck on the side of the road, or just forgetting your regular charger at home, the G4 keeps everything powered. It features fast charging and built-in power indicator. Lets you always know when you're remaining power, so you're never caught off guard. Another key feature people love is the integrated intensity LED flashlight. You get normal steady light, a strobe mode, and an SOS beacon. So if you're dealing with a dead battery at night, searching through your trunk and signaling for help, you've got the light exactly when you need it. This is especially helpful for off-roaders, nighttime travelers, or anyone driving in places where help might not be close by. Let's talk design, because the Novsight doesn't just build powerful products. They build gear that survives real-life use. The G4 has a rugged, shock-resistant outer shell, making it durable enough for work trucks, off-road rigs, toolboxes, and your glove compartment. It's compact, lightweight, and you can throw it in your bag or center console without taking up no space. The clamps are reinforced and heavy duty, and everything comes neatly packed in a portable carrying case. This is the kind of emergency gear that's actually convenient, not bulky, not complicated, not cheap plastic, just solid, dependable engineering. Let me give you a few examples of real situations where the G4 becomes a lifesaver. Your battery dies in a parking lot, no waiting for a stranger or AAA, 10 seconds and you're back on the road. Cold weather drains your battery overnight. G4 handles low temperatures and starts up like a champ. Off-roading or camping, no outlets, no problem. Charge your devices and jump cables anywhere. Helping friends and family, you'll become the hero everyone calls you when their car won't start. It's one of those tools you don't realize you need them until you have it. And then you never want to drive without it. So there you have it, the Novsight G4 Jump Starter. Powerful, safe, compact, multifunctional. Everything you want in an emergency gear and nothing you don't. If you want peace of mind every time you're on the road, or you're looking for a reliable backup for your vehicle, this is the one to get. Come check it out up close, ask any questions if you have, or let me show you how it works in person. This is Novsight. Innovation, reliability, and performance you can count on.